Alright guys, what is happening? Simon here from Ironclad Motorsport, and it has been an absolute hot minute since I have posted anything here on this YouTube channel for your viewing pleasure. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to strap a GoPro on the front of my car, right in front of that vent there. I'm going to strap a GoPro right there, going to take you guys for a drive, let you listen to some sick turbo whistle, and then I'm going to show you how to code Sport Plus using the BMW coding software Bimmer Code in your Generation 5 Toyota Supra. Let's go. Alrighty, so that is on. This is going to be the view from the front. So literally like no car at all. I'm going to see if I can tilt that downwards. Let's put it there so I can see what we're looking at. There we go. Now, when you guys watch this video back, it is going to be like you guys are playing a computer game. Alright, let's go. Oh, this is not the easiest car to get into when you are 6'1" and 93 kilos. Guys, this is the LED steering wheel. I have a video actually right up above in the corner right now. You can watch the instructions on how to install one of these steering wheels. But let's go for a drive. Alright guys, so we're all set up in the car now, and you can see that here on my phone is the view from the front of the car. The GoPro is stuck on the bonnet, or the hood, as the Americans call it. But on this screen here, this is the screen that you guys want to check out, okay? So this screen, when I press the Sport button down here, press that once, Sport Plus, press it again, goes back to the normal sport mode that you get from factory that you've configured yourself. And if I press it a third time, it goes back to the normal settings. So after this little drive, I'm going to put it on Sport Plus mode. After this little drive, I'm going to show you guys how to program that. But yeah, listen to some turbo whistles. I hope it picks it up, and enjoy. Guys, so we're back home now. I'm going to show you guys what is under the bonnet of my Mark V Supra, and that explains why we had such crazy turbo noises over the stock car, and then we're going to get stuck into what you actually came here for. Alright, so let's go and have a look. Back here, what is underneath? But a lovely, great big Borg Warner 8374 with a trumpet on the end, allowing it to breathe as God intended. There we are. Alright guys, so I know you actually came here to learn how to program Sport Plus mode in your 2020 Supra, not listen to my car and all the turbo noises it makes. So without further ado, let's get started on that. But before, I just need to tell you guys that Sport Plus mode, all it does is it changes the throttle response, and it changes how sharp it changes gears in auto mode. It does nothing to the steering, nothing to the suspension, and if you're in manual mode, all you get is sharper throttle response. You don't get any more power, you just get sharper throttle response, so it makes the car feel faster. Okay guys, so let's close the hood, jump back in the car and get started. And I said hood. Who am I? I'm Australian, not American. Let's close the bonnet. Alright, let's jump in the car. get cracking on this. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is, you guys know I have the OBD sensor there for the steering wheel. I just need to disconnect that. Alright, so now I've disconnected that. What we need is we need an OBD2 reader. So here I have the MHD OBD2 reader, because you guys know that my car is tuned on MHD software, so you can get any kind of OBD reader. There is a couple of links in the description of this video for you guys. All we're going to do is just connect that up underneath there. And the next step from there, guys, after you've connected your OBD2 reader down the bottom, is to connect it to the phone. So we need to make sure that we put the phone on airplane mode, so when we're coding the car we don't actually get interrupted with anything at all. And I will change the light on the camera for you guys actually before I continue, just so you guys can see a bit better. That's better. Cool. And then long press and hold on the Wi-Fi button on your phone, if you have a Samsung that is, and turn it on. We should see down here MHD 6507, that is my MHD reader, so I'm connecting that. You'll notice that it says, once it's connected, it'll say like limited internet, so connected without internet. That's totally fine, we don't need it. So we come all the way back. And then we want to go into Bimmer Code here. You guys do need to have the full version of Bimmer Code to actually do this. Connecting the adapter. We do actually need to put the car into Diagnostics Mode as well, so we're going to 3 press the start button. So 1, 2, 3, you'll see everything will light up and start up, and then typical BMW ding, there we go. And we're going to click the BMW Z4, because although this is a Toyota Supra, bring you guys in, steady the camera for you. There we go. Although this is a Toyota Supra, we get more functions when we actually look at the BMW one. So, once that is connected, we're going to come down into body domain controller. This is the first step, body domain controller. And you guys, you do have to use expert mode when programming this, okay? So you've got the option up the top there, slide that toggle button across, it'll give you a warning. Yeah, that's totally fine. I do apparently know what I'm doing. All right, and then what we need to do is we need to look down this list for 3221. And then we go find that one. 3221 PF Fez Master. So we need to click that one there. And then we need to scroll down this one, and we need to find a Fez Sport World Mode 1. So we click that one there, Fez Sport Mode 1, and you can see that we're in not Sport Expert, Sport Expert, or Extra Boost. Now, as you guys know, I'm running an aftermarket turbo with a very custom tune, so I've never tried the Extra Boost button. If someone's running a stock car, do this. Let me know what happens. Put it in the comment section down below. But we are going to do Sport Expert. Then we're going to click Save. Click the back button, and then before we do the next step, we need to actually tap the button down here, there, to say code. Make sure all the doors are closed on the car. Start coding. Doors closed, windows closed, everything, you know, like as normal. Make sure nobody comes and opens the car door. door. I have absolutely no idea what's going to happen if somebody does that, but you know, this car has so many ECUs, so much electronic trickery on it, you've absolutely no idea what's going to happen if someone comes and opens the door whilst you are coding. It may throw a sensor off or something like that. So we're going to come up here to the back button. We've done that now, and we're going to come down to the head unit because we need to actually see what we are looking at on the head unit. So there we go, and again, expert mode. Yes, I do apparently know what I am doing. And 3008 FES, F-E-S. And we're going to go FES Sport Expert Active. So what this will do is this will give us the option on the actual iDrive system to look at. Sorry, there we go, just so you guys can see. So FES Sport Active. So this will give us the option on the iDrive system over here to the left of the phone to actually see what is going on. So we click save, click back, and then as always down here, click code, start coding. So after my little drive showing you guys the boost, I recoded this so we didn't have Sport Mode Plus, so I could actually show you guys how to code it properly. So clearing errors. Thank you. Video in motion unlocked. That is another video that I will do later for you guys. That comes up as an error on mine because I actually did code it so I can play video on the iDrive system whilst I'm driving, because everyone wants to watch Too Fast, Too Furious while they're driving along in their 2020 Supra. And then just to show you guys again what it looks like, got the start button, and there we go. Sport, and then we have Sport Plus, the normal mode that you get from the dealer, and you press it a third time and you go back to normal balanced driving. Turn you around, give you some more view so you can see actually who you're talking to. Guys, that is it from me right now. Thanks so much for watching. Please leave a comment, subscribe, hit the bell to get notifications, all the good stuff that you would normally do on somebody's YouTube channel if you actually liked them. Peace out, guys, and look forward to the next video.